Hello everyone, this is Jeff of TAOFLEDERMAUS. Several years ago we tried shooting Nerf darts out of a shotgun. For the most part it was a failure, but we learned and we're going to make some revisements and modifications here. The biggest modification is we've made the dart much shorter, and we've also inserted a piece of hot glue stick inside there to give it strength, because these things are extremely fragile and weak. The hot glue will also give it a little more weight, because these things are very light and you need at least 5 grams of mass just to get the powder to ignite. As you can see, the fit inside the shell is very good. It's a nice snug fit. So let's see how these babies work.
Alright, TAOFLEDER folks, we're going to try something today. These are, what'd you call them, Nerf whistles?
They're whistling mega Nerf darts made by some Chinese company. Not officially Nerf, but
all right.
I like the fact that the colors were good, and they whistled, and they fit a 12 gauge.
Fit down the barrel. That sounds good. Alright, we're going to try a couple of these with long shot, and we've got one with black powder. And what'd you say these were?
Tightwad.
Tightwad.
It's Hodgson's Tightwad.
Alright.
So
anyway, we'll see if they whistle down range.
if they blow into pieces.
Or, yeah.
If they work, they'd be like little rubber bullets, basically.
Yeah.
Or big rubber bullets, actually.
Are they tuned?
Yes, they're...
Will they whistle Dixie?
Yes.
Let's find out.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we are using a rifled barrel. Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Alright, here we go.
Oh!
Boom. Squib.
So this was almost out at the end of the barrel. Did not get powder combustion. So it's long shot's probably too slow of a burning powder. We'll try it with the Tightwad.
Tightwad.
Take 2. Whenever you're ready. We get a speed. No error. We got an error, darn it. Big flame coming out.
We actually did get a reading, and it was just for a brief second before the fire and smoke and everything passed over the chronograph and gave us an error. So 529, that's not too bad. In this never seen before footage, you can see that the slug actually held together, and I think that's half the battle. Stability wasn't bad. I mean, we've had much more unstable projectiles, and the accuracy was decent.
Okay, 20 grains of Tightwad again. Okay, I'm ready. 468.
Part of it went that way, part of it went that way.
This was a failure. We had complete separation between the tip and the shaft, and you definitely don't want that to happen. Right, guys?
Listen carefully, see if you can hear it whistle.
Well, I'll tell you what, as quiet as those are,
Yeah, it'll...
see if we can hear a whistle.
Okay, I am ready when you are.
Alright, here we go. Same point of aim.
529.
Yeah, that was shot a little high.
So far we're having better luck with the faster burning Tightwad powder. This one also held together, which is amazing to me because these things are so fragile you can tear them apart with your fingertips. And considering it's flying at a speed of 360 miles per hour, that's not too bad. The stability wasn't ideal, but it was accurate and it penetrated the jug this time.
Okay, so far we haven't gotten good combustion yet. Let's try it with the black powder.
Alright, we got one black powder load.
Just one. This is a quickie video, it looks like. Made up too many.
Alright, are we ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Alright, here we go.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, an error. We got an error.
I think it's probably the smoke.
Yeah. Let it penetrate our jug. That one definitely went off.
Well, we literally pushed it to the breaking point this time. With higher velocity, we also had a higher rate of spin. The centrifugal force actually tore this shaft apart. Let's watch that again. So all we had left really flying at the target was the hot glue and the orange tip. Just the tip. But you gotta admit the damage was pretty substantial.
The 500 something FPS one.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
And then here's our black powder one. Most likely the wadding here, and then
And I can see it floating around in there.
what you call it there.
Oh, don't want to get our slap shot. I was using that to focus it, the camera.
Well, we got one of the, probably this one, the wad's floating inside. And then,
Oh, there's like a whole, see, you can get them out of there. I'm curious now. Don't cut yourself. You can take the lid off. Oh.
that was the tight wad.
You can actually see the rifling on it. I didn't hear any whistling though. It held up pretty well. That held up quite well. Just a little, it probably occurred when it hit, but it stayed in one piece for the most part. There's that hot glue slug piece inside. That's not bad. I should have loaded them all black powder, but you never know what's going to happen.
Not enough weight there to be able to predict it.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, that one's, look close, you can see the rifling on there. Not bad, not bad. We didn't get a reading on the black powder, but I bet it was going 800 or something like that.
Yeah.
We had full combustion on that.
Too much flash going through the chrono.
Yeah, smoke or whatever. But still, interesting experiment. I think it did a lot better than our previous test that we did like 4 years ago.
Hey, if you're new to this channel, you may want to check out some of our older videos. They're still very relevant. Now, one comment I get all the time is, hey, I don't really like guns, but I really like watching your videos. We focus less on the gun and more into the aeronautics, launching unusual projectiles at high velocities. So I often think of what we do as more akin to rocketry or engineering and aeronautics and all that stuff. So if you're into that kind of stuff, I invite you to subscribe. It's absolutely free, as you probably know, and I think you'll enjoy our content. And finally, I want to thank our generous Patreon supporters for helping keep our channel afloat. Thank you very much for watching.